Hey, if you want to scan QR codes on the Poco C85, first of all, you have to open the quick settings panel like so, and you have to search for a scanner, so it should be available somewhere here. You have to just click on this. Now you will be redirected to the scanner. You have to agree, accept all of those incoming permissions one by one, and you have to place the code inside the frame. So you will have to just simply align this like so. Just be patient. And as you can see, it's not working for some reason. So we can still fix this by opening the camera application, and you can try to scan with your camera. Take a look. We'll try to show you how it works. Now as you can see, we can find this icon over here. So we have to just click on this and we will be redirected into that browser where we can actually open our QR code or copy URL. And if it is not working in the camera for some reason, make sure that you are gonna put it closer, a little bit higher, and you can also turn on and off this option by going into the settings. Take a look. When you go for these options, we should find for the QR code scanner. AI recommendations, scan the QR codes. It's available over here. You have to use the photo mode, remember.